molten metal hitting the ground in the background here was all the flour and water hitting in a frying pan, which for some reason sounded just perfectly fine, all that molten metal. There's an interesting machine happening off screen here that I like, which was recorded on the set itself. This fight was fun because the hits against the walls had to be huge, so we ended up smashing the hell out of a file cabinet. And I just smashed it with a baseball bat and made a lot of huge ringing metal sounds, and then putting all this stuff in. Now the punch, this is a glass into a big yogurt to give it a real impacty liquid sound. The big gear here was actually made, we went to record something else, a compactor for old junk cars. And the mechanics of the compact itself, I would loop into different rhythms and use that for the gear. This is a nice moment because it's very quiet and you actually hear footsteps and leather movement. And because there's going to be a surprise coming up, you want to build to it very quietly. The Termovision was fun, the usual standard beeps and clicks and things like that, but we were also processing the real world through it so that it had a different sound. This fight also has a lot of whooshes to make it seem like they're moving at superhuman speed, almost like a kung fu fight. When he transforms here, this is actually just, I covered my hands with mud and slowly pulled them apart. It had a ripping, liquidy mud sound. And then when he twisted the arm, we took a lot of metal tools and crunched them so that they had a nasty crunch to them. Again, here, the fun part was making the sound of an all-metal arm getting crunched. We did a lot of stuff with vices, taking different metal objects and crushing them slowly in a vise.